If you're battling with stunted growth, your hair has stopped growing for years now and your hair is falling out, thinning out and breaking. This simple hair growth recipe will help you solve that problem. Herbs is very good for hair and there are different ways to combine your herbs to get exactly what you want. So don't get confused with the different recipes because everything works. With patience and dedication, you will see the results. The first ingredient is rosemary. Now, if you've been on this channel for a long time, you will know that I don't play with rosemary. Rosemary is one of the herbs that have really helped me when it comes to thickness. If you're looking to thicken up your hair, rosemary is one of the herbs you should start incorporating to your hair care regimen. When I started experiencing hair loss, hair fall, each time I comb my hair is always on the ground. Each time I comb through, even with my finger, I'll always see my hair shedding. I started using rosemary to rinse out my hair. I started using it as a leave-in spray and also as a final rinse. And I'm not going to lie to you, this really made a difference. So whenever someone comes out to say herbs don't work, blah, 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 I can't really relate because it really worked for me. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of the rosemary. The next ingredient is cinnamon. I genuinely think cinnamon is one of the underrated herbs. Or maybe it is just my assumption. Cinnamon is really good, especially when it comes to promoting blood flow to the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. It also contains a lot of microbial properties that can help control scalp infection and dandruff for those of you who have been battling dandruff and flaky scalp. The next ingredient we'll be adding is cloves. Clove has gained a place in the natural hair community because of its numerous benefits when it comes to hair. Cloves is excellent for stimulating blood flow to the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. Cloves also contains antimicrobial property like cinnamon. It also controls scalp infection, dandruff, and other fungi and bacterial issues. Clove is also known for soothing itchy scalp and reducing dandruff from the scalp. The next thing I did was that I blended it into a powder. This is one of the ways I have found to infuse my herbs efficiently. Blending it will enable it to extract all the ingredients. This is like the fastest way and the most efficient way to infuse your herbs. I'm not saying you can't infuse it in whole without blending it. Of course you can, but this will take a longer time to infuse. But when you blend it, it will take a shorter time and everything will come out and be settled into the water. This starts to infuse immediately you pour in some water. You guys are going to see. This is the best way I found to infuse my herb and it really comes out great. It is even better than when you don't blend it. I have tried both ways and each time I blend my herbs and infuse it, the water is always darker, which shows you it is more potent. Now take a look at this. Now this is after about 6 hours of infusing this. Men looking at this, you will know that this is very potent because all the nutrients in the herbs have settled into the water. The herbs have gone under and the water is giving everything that it should give. It's telling you that this is very potent. So that is the reason why I blend my herbs. You can also let it sit longer if you're not in a hurry. This would even make it more potent. I like to get the best out of my herbs, so I'll do it in a way that it will be potent. All right. So now let's transfer it into this applicator bottle that I'll be using to apply it on my hair. Combining rosemary, cloves, and cinnamon into a hair growth spray can create this perfect natural tonic that will stimulate blood flow, increase hair, reduce inflammation, and support overall health of your hair, preventing breakage and shedding. This is how it works. Rosemary is known to dilate blood vessel and improve circulation, especially on the scalp. This increases blood flow, bring more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicle, which encourages hair growth. Clove contain eugenol, a natural compound that boosts circulation and helps stimulate dormant hair follicle. Cinnamon also improve blood circulation when applied topically. I'll also be using this on my baby's hair. This is what I've been using for her problem area. The front of her hair has been falling out and now I'm trying to get it back, and this tonic here has really helped a lot. I'm going to insert before and after pictures so you guys can see the progress we have made. Even though I'm being conscious because of her age, she just clocked 1. So when you're using it for babies, please be cautious. And also do not use it every day for a baby. Even as an adult, you are not supposed to use this every day because it might cause overstimulation on your scalp, which will change the pH balance on your scalp and cause you more harm than good. For babies, you can use it 2 times a week. 2 times a week is okay. For an adult, you can use it like 4 or 5 times a week. Though 3 times a week is perfect because that is what I do. I use it 3 times a week on my hair. Combination of rosemary, clove, and cinnamon will supercharge blood flow to the scalp, help revive weak or inactive hair follicles, promoting healthier and faster hair growth. The rosemary in there fights bacteria and fungi on the scalp, including dandruff. Cloves contain a strong antiseptic and antifungal property, which helps treat and prevent scalp infection like dandruff or fungal related issues. Cinnamon has a natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help maintain clean and a balanced hair scalp. This combo cleanses and detoxifies the scalp, preventing clogged follicles and allowing healthier hair growth. This ingredient strengthens the hair from the roots to the tip. Rosemary strengthens the hair follicles and add luscious volume and shine. It also helps prevent premature graying. While clove is rich in antioxidants and minerals like potassium, iron, and calcium, it can also help strengthen the hair shaft, reducing split ends and minimizing breakage. Cinnamon contains vitamin and antioxidant that nourishes the hair follicle and hair shaft. This combination will result to stronger and thicker hair strands. The blend of these three amazing herbs can create a refreshing, tingling effect on the scalp, especially if cold or infused well. This encourages you to massage it into the scalp, which further enhances circulation and absorption of the nutrients into the scalp. Cinnamon and clove both help regulate oil production, while rosemary helps balance scalp pH. A balanced scalp is essential for healthy hair growth and preventing fungi and bacterial overgrowth. Now that we have covered the importance of each herbs, let me tell you how to use this. Use this every other day. I didn't say daily, every other day, meaning 3 times a week. All right, spray directly into the scalp and massage for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Apart from using it on the scalp, you can also spray it into your hair to strengthen and refresh the hair in between wash days. To get the maximum benefits, use it on a clean scalp. Now to the preservation. You can store this into your refrigerator for at least 7 to 10 days. After that, you discard it and make a fresh batch. I believe I've answered all the necessary questions. If you have any other question you wish to know, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section and I will do well to answer you. If you have watched to this point, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Share to people who you think need to see this and also engage. When you do so, YouTube will recommend my video to other people. Just in case I forget, please do not use this for a baby under 6 months. I have somebody who has asked me if they can use it for baby of 2 months. The answer is no, you can't use it for a baby under 6 months. Even if the baby is up to 1 year, please use with caution. Do not use it every day on a baby. I think I've said all I need to say. We have finally come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next upload. Before you leave, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in my next upload. Bye bye. Mwah.